All right, we are back and we are on Theorem 6. Theorem 6 is one of the shortest and sweetest theorems. Now, what does Theorem 6 say? It simply states that an exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the interior opposite angle. What does it mean? Check. A, B, C, D, that's the cyclic quad. But exterior means outside. We have got this angle C1 which is outside. So we are being told that this angle C1 here, which is outside, it is equal to what? To the interior opposite angle. So the opposite angle which is found inside this quadrilateral is angle what? It's angle A. So we're simply being told that angle C1 is equal to angle A. And our reason will be exterior angle of a cyclic quad. That is our reason. Angle A is equals to angle C1. But observe one thing about this angle C1. Where is angle C1 found? It's found on a straight line. And remember, what do we have? We've got two angles here, which means that angle C1 plus angle C2, they add up to 180 degrees. Let's not forget our work from straight lines. Angle C1 plus angle C2 is equals to 180 degrees. So here, let's deal with this exercise, right? We've got an exterior angle at point F, we've got an exterior angle at point G, and our cyclic quad, the 4 points is D, E, F, G. So based on what we just did, it means that this is the exterior and the opposite angle is what? Angle Y here at point D. So we now say that Y is equals to 105 degrees. Our reason, exterior angle of a cyclic quad. But we don't have one exterior. Check. We have been given angle C here at point G. At point G here, we've got angle X, and the opposite angle is 88 degrees, which means that X is equal to 88 degrees. But now remember, what are we told? We are told, we know that from our theory from grade 10 and 9, that the interior angles of a what? Of a cyclic quad, they add up to 360. So let's put this to the test, this theory. We said that here we've got 105. And we are saying that here X is 88 degrees. If we are to add up the four angles of this quadrilateral, will we get 360? Okay. Remember, here angle 105 is found on a straight line, and these two are supplementary angles. So if I say 180 minus 105, I get 75 degrees, which means that this angle here is 75 degrees. And here, this is also on a straight line, the exterior angle. So I must say 180 degrees minus what? Minus 88. 180 degrees minus 88. I borrow here 7. There 2. Borrow here 0. 17 minus 8, it's 9. 92 degrees. So here I have 92 degrees. Now remember, from our previous theorem, the opposite what? The opposite angles of a cyclic quad add up to 180 degrees. So if I say 105 plus 75, 105 degrees plus 75 degrees, 5 plus 5, 10, carry 1, 8, I have 180. So these two opposite sides have proven that. Now I must use these two opposite angles, 92 and 88. Now I say 92 degrees plus 88 degrees. 8 plus 2, 10. Carry 1. 9 plus 1, 10. Plus 8, 18, 180 degrees. And 180 degrees plus 180 degrees, it is equals to 360 degrees. So yes, our theorem 6 is actually factual, right? The exterior angle of a triangle is not of a triangle, of a cyclic quad is equal to the opposite interior angle. All right, please join me on the next video where we talk about theorem 7. From theorem 7 to theorem 9, we'll be now dealing with tangents. Theorem 7 to theorem 9, we are dealing with tangents. All right, please do share, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.